Hello everyone and welcome once again. This is a song Ek Din Big Jayega. I'll play once quickly and then say the notes slowly. Okay, so I'll just play. So it's on a G scale. Look at the middle C. Please note I'm playing from the middle C. Play the G chord. Okay, D G B. It is on a G scale, original scale. It is D G B or G B D, the root G. So the note starts the music. First is the music. Okay, this is a B note. The middle C, D E F G A and B. This is a G chord. Okay, so play this B note. Just play this double B D. Two notes together. Just break it. Play 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then play C and E note. Same. The next higher one. C E. Then play again 1 times each, 2 times each. Okay, same B D and the C and the E note. C and the E note. C and the E note. Hope you all can see clearly. Then the next music is the B. The next intro part is B, A and the E note. Just simple it is. B ascending, it's on a descending order. B, please note it's on the middle octave C. This is the C middle octave I'm playing. You don't have to be confused, you can play anywhere. So this is a B, B, A, E. Then again second time B, A. Then just quickly play this D together. That's it. Now let's move to the melody part. The melody, okay. So I'll just say the notes also together slowly. G, B, B, A, G, A, G, B, B, A, G, B, B, A, G, A. Play this F sharp note. F sharp, G, F sharp, D and E. Then play this B. B, play this higher D, that is the next octave. Middle C, D, play the second D octave. Okay, this D, just showing. Okay, then play this B. Let's move this again. B, D, D, E, same higher E, C, D, D, E, C, D, B. Again same thing. B, D, D, E, C, D, D, E, C, D, B, A. Okay, second time this low A, back to Z. Then la la, play this B, A, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay, la la, la 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 la. Okay, so B, A, D, E, F sharp, G. La 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 la. Okay, that way. Now the next part, the chorus. Okay, B, B, B. Okay, I'll just hit thrice, quick, triple, 3 times. Then 5 times I'll strike. First is 3 times. So this is 5 times. B3, B5 times striking. Then again 3 times punch. Same higher D. Okay, higher D. Then D, A, higher D. Then back to this A. B, C, A, C, B. Okay. Again I'll play the same thing. C, B. Okay, the same line I played again. Now B, C, D, B, C, E. Okay, just play twice according to the song. B, C, D, B, C, E. Then again next is B, E, D, C. These all higher ones. Okay, B, E, D, C, B, A. Then again A, B, A. Then C, B, B. Then just punch, just give a double punch. Okay, then next just play BD. You have to play quick. BD, then D, E, C, D. I'll just play this line. Okay, you all got. So I'll just show again. B, D, D, E, C, D. Then again D, E, C, D, B. Then same thing repeat. B, D, D, E, C, D, D, E, C, D, B, A. That's it. And then keep playing the first part. Hope you understand and understood. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Please do watch the old video. Thank you so much.